Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about Saturn in Capricorn, most enigmatic in Shravana star, and in retrogression for mundane effects. I will be making two videos, one for the Saturn in Shravana and the second part will be Saturn in retrogression. So today we will be talking about Saturn in the star Shravana. So before we talk about Saturn in Shravana, let me read out which are the most important parameters till date and for the coming 6 months, and especially till the 17th May 2021, and broadly speaking till 1st July 2021. Mars and Uranus conjunction took place between 20th and 22nd January 2021, and we've already seen the effects. Saturn in Shravana star from the 23rd January 2021 till February 2022. This is supposed to be most enigmatic. Especially, there are three combinations which are not good. First of all, Saturn in Shravana, Rahu in Rohini after the 13th February 2021, and Mars in Ardra. So I will point out all this, and especially Mars in Ardra will be from the 25th of April to 17th May 2021. So primarily speaking, from 25th April to 17th May 2021 will be most enigmatic because Saturn will be in Shravana Nakshatra, Rahu will be in Rohini Nakshatra, and Mars will be in Ardra Nakshatra. And on top of it, there will be Veda between Saturn and Mars in the Rashi Sangata Chakra and also in the Nakshatra Sangata Chakra. Now, for wars, these two chakras are seen, and I have explained in my articles what is the importance of these chakras. And and then other parameters which I have already jotted down in my website in the articles. But this is and then the Taurus Scorpio affliction, by Rahu and Ketu, and then Mars joining it. First Mars aspecting Ketu by 8th aspect, and then Mars joining Rahu and influencing both Rahu and Ketu degree wise. So these are, and then Cancer Capricorn. No, especially for India, it is very bad for India and China, because China has Capricorn ascendant and India has the Cancer sign in the third house of borders, and all the conjunction of six planets is taking place in the 9th house, which will activate the third house. Seven planets will be activating the third house of borders, third house of aircrafts, third house of railway tracks, of media, communication. So all this will be influenced adversely because there are 5 planets in the sign Capricorn, and there will be 6 planets in the sign Capricorn, which will influence the 5 planets in Cancer, and together with Mars from the Aries sign. So this is going to be a very venomous transit, especially from the 12th February 2021. So let me read out. Mundane astrology is a very difficult and also an interesting subject, and lot of research is required to predict the events. In this article, I am going to discuss the transit of Saturn in Shravana star from the 23rd of January 2021 to 17th February 2022. It has been observed in the past that Saturn in this Shravana star is most enigmatic. If we look back from 1903, cycle of 30-year cycle, if we see all the cycles right from 1903, 18 years back, and the same has been discussed in this article. I have discussed the retrogression also, which was published in the Express Star Teller in the April 2020 edition for the retrogression of Saturn. Now, for reference, Saturn from January 1961 to 1963, the following happenings took place as can be seen from Google. US General Assembly condemns in apartheid in South Africa. Berlin Wall was built dividing East and West Germany. Dominican dictator Rafael Trujillo was assassinated. Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin completes the first orbit in Earth by a human. 1962, this was in 1961. 1962, USSR sends arms to Cuba. Cuban Missile Crisis with US. 1963, French President Charles de Gaulle prevents Great Britain entry into common market. Nuclear test ban treaty is signed by US, Great Britain and USSR. John F. Kennedy is assassinated in Dallas, Texas. Lyndon B. Johnson becomes president. Now, Brett Samhita states, when Saturn transits in Shravana star, it proves detrimental for the head of the states, president, chief ministers, or the prime ministers. Bharat Samhita also states that Shravan star creates issues for the king's officer or the king's Brahmin, doctor, priest, and the religious advisor. Looking back at 118 years back, Saturn transited in this star from the 10th February 1903 to 8th March 1904, and again from the 5th September to 30th September 1904. It was time for agony and pain. On the 11th June 1903, Serbian King Alexander and Queen Draga were assassinated in Belgrade by the Black Hand Organization. The British invasion of Tibet began in December 1903 and lasted till September 1904. It was a difficult time for Dalai Lama, main priest of Buddhist religion. On 15th October 1904, Russians were driven back by the Japanese in the Battle of Shahu. 1933 was the first year of depression, with unemployment peaking to 25.2%. In 1 out of 4 people unemployed. US banking system, which was under great strain, was propped up by the US government, US Banking Act 1933, to try to stop the panic of people withdrawing their money from the banks. More than 5,000 banks were gone out of business. On 15 February 1933, US President Franklin D. Roosevelt survived assassination attempt by Chicago Mayor Anton Chok was mortally wounded. He died on March 29, 1933. Dollfuss was assassinated as a part of a failed coup attempt by Nazi agents in 1934. After 30 years, Saturn returns same in the Shravana star and again a dent to the government. If I may recall, Indochina brawl took place in 1962 on the 20th October 1962. We had conjunction of 7 planets in the sign Capricorn on the 5th February 1962, parallel to the same happening which is going to take place on the 12th February 2021. But the grace is that Mars is not joining, but Mars will aspect. So the quantum of the warlike conditions would be slightly lesser than what happened in 1962, because in that conjunction of 7 planets, Mars was also a part of it. But here Mars is aspecting the sign Cancer. So it is no better, little better, but no, not entirely good. So friends, and for this I have already written 3 articles. In the year 1991, Saturn was in this star from 15th March 1991 to 23rd July 1991. The year was of economy breakdown. We also had the Gulf crisis when Saturn had fallen in Sagittarius sign from the sign Capricorn in June 1990. There was situation where most venomous Indian foreign reserves was also in bad shape when Saturn was in Shravana star. So Shravana star it has been observed that Saturn is an enemy of Moon, and Saturn in Rohini or Saturn in Shravana star is most enigmatic. And from the past, we can also say that Rahu in Rohini star is also not good. Chandrasekhar government could not pass the Indian budget in February 1991, and the Indian government had to airlift National Gold Reserve as a pledge. We all know the assassination of Rajiv Gandhi in May 1991 and the economic crisis. Since the Saturn moves back in the sign Capricorn after 30 years, Saturn was in Shravana from 11th July 1992 to 7th January 1993. And we have seen the Babri Masjid was demolished on the 6th December 1992. The communal violence was ignited across the country. Saturn was again in Shravana star on 11th July 1992 to January 1993. Babri Masjid was demolished. I have written an article on this already. Hence, from the above, it is crystal clear of the happening of 2021 when Saturn joins Shravana star on the 23rd January 2021. Since there are other parameters also most enigmatic, as I have explained when I started this video. Venomous discussed in the other articles bound to give parallel results like the above happenings. The Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra confirms that from the 25th April to 17th May is the most crucial time for the whole globe, not only for India, for all the globe. Is the most venomous time since there is Veda between Saturn in Shravana, Mars in Adra, which indicates time of warlike in the globe, and especially the brawl between India and China may go for a toss. Saturn will remain in Shravana star till 17th February 2022. The Taurus Scorpio axis affliction together with affliction in the Cancer Capricorn axis along with affliction to Lagna Lord as far as India, Venus is concerned is detrimental for the country as can be seen from the planetary position. I've already shown the Rashi Sanghata Chakra and the Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra. Also read the article Saturn in Capricorn, which was published in the Express Star Teller in the May 2020 edition on the page 39. I've written a complete article. You can go through that also, and I will be discussing Saturn in retrogression in my next video. Thank you, friends. Thank you for listening to me, and have a good day.